you must master your emotions when building chi. If you don't, the buildup of chi will harm you. This is on a mental level, on an emotional level, on a physical level. So first let me explain why, what do I mean by how it's affecting your chi. Because if your emotions, right, so your emotions, what's happening with your emotions? They are affecting your thoughts, right? And they're also affecting you on the physical level, on the organ level. Now, if the organ is not functioning well, then that means, you know, your hormonal level will not function well, right? Because many of the organs are connected to the hormones or to the bloodstream or your nervous system, right? So what you want, so this is why if you don't master your emotions, you want to, it's going to affect you mentally and emotionally and physically. Now, why building chi will affect you emotionally? I mean, will harm you. This I'll explain to you why. Here I have an image of two lighters. One lighter has a little bit of fuel inside. Another lighter has a lot of fuel inside. When you look at the lighter on the left with a little bit of fuel, you see that the flame is very small. However, the flame on the right, which has is a big flame, because that lighter has a lot of fuel. What happens when you build up chi? You're fueling. It's basically fuel for your emotions. That's what's happening. So what would happen is before, when you get angry, you will only have a small spark, right? A little flame would come up because you don't have enough fuel to fuel it, to fuel that anger. Now, the same thing that used to upset you, or the same thing that used to cause you fear, the reaction will be very small. Now that same reaction would be bigger when you build up your chi. And this is one of the dangers of building chi, because it's going to fuel your emotions. So you want to make sure that you master your emotions. And there are different ways to master your emotions.